Once you've created your quiz, you'll need to add questions to it. To do so, click on the name of the quiz, and then the Edit Quiz button. This takes you to your list of questions. Ours is currently empty. To add to it, click Add over here on the right. This brings up 3 options. We'll only talk about the first one today, adding a new question. The other 2 pertain to question banks, which might be useful to know about. They allow you to reuse questions from previous quizzes, even old courses. So select New Question, which will bring you to the Question Type dialog box. You select among these your question type. If you need to know what a question type does or is, Moodle will tell you. Just select it and it'll show you over here. Some good ones to know about on this list. Essay is notably the only one that is manually graded. The rest, even things like short answer, you have to specify a correct answer ahead of time. Another good one to know about, description, which is not actually a question. It's just a way of adding some extra instructions to your test or exam. For today, I'm going to click multiple choice and then add. This will take us to the settings for that particular multiple choice question. You can specify things like a category here. You have to give it a name of some type. Question 1, we'll call this one. We'll ask, when was the War of 1812? This is the question text, also required. Default points, another requirement. You have option of doing things like leaving feedback for the overall question, or specifying how the choices are numbered. Another required thing, though, of course, is the answers, the choices that you have, which you fill in down here. Let's say 1812. Right answer comes first, and you'll say, that's 100%. That gives you the grade, and you can even say, good. Here, give some feedback for that particular answer, and you specify other answers as you go here. By default, there's 5. You can add more down at the bottom. There's also options for combined feedback based on certain categories of response and multiple tries if you want to allow multiple attempts or give hints. Once you've specified those, click Save Changes at the bottom, which will take you back to the question list, where you can do things like change the point value, shuffle your questions, reorder them, or change the maximum grade for the quiz. One final note. You can continue adding or removing questions until an attempt is logged on the exam, until a student takes the quiz, at which point you can only edit questions and settings, but no longer add or remove.